yummy eyeballs for Halloween. I'm going to show you how to make this. So let's have a little fun for Halloween. I'm going to show you how to make these eyeballs. This is super fun, super easy for your kids to make, and it's on a budget, which I love. So here's what you need. You are going to need marshmallows. Yay, marshmallows. Okay, so I'm going to show you two types of ways to make bloody eyeballs, or maybe eyeballs without any blood if you don't like the blood. Okay, so if you're lucky, you can still find the edible eyes that you see here. Okay, so I bought this. As you can see, this is dessert decorations, candy eyeballs. So if you can find those because those are super real. Okay, if you can't find those, then go ahead and get little chocolate kisses. Chocolate kisses. Can you see that? So this is milk chocolate chips. Milk chocolate chips. Okay, you can use that as a substitute. Now you're also going to want the red writing gel. Oh yeah, that's where the blood. Say it again. Make it scary. I can't hear it. It's not scary enough. Make it more scary. So you're gonna need some of this, okay? And a lot of fun. That's what you're gonna need. All of this and a lot of fun. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This is super easy, super fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these marshmallows. Yay! Can I get some creepy music, please? Thank you. All right. Oh, that's creepy. All right, so okay, that's too creepy. Go ahead and cut that off. Okay, yeah, thank you. Getting spooked. All right, anyways, so you have your marshmallow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and make the one with the actual decoration eyeball. Yay! So you have your marshmallow here, and you just take your eyeball. Ooh, I see you. And you're just gonna go ahead and press it down within the marshmallow. Yay! Yay! Oh God! I pressed that too much. Shoot! Look at this. Okay, you guys have really got to see this. Hold on. Whoa, I pressed that down way too far. I'm gonna give you a close-up look of that. What in the world? Okay, that is way too far. I think I got too excited. Yeah, like I can't even see the eyeball. Oh my God, this is starting off bad. Okay, so I kind of messed that one up, but it's okay because when you mess up, you get to eat it. All right, so, let me try this again. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get eyeball. Okay. Here we go. And I'm not gonna be so excited. Okay. Let me press it down. It's better. That's better. Okay. There we go. It's a little better. See it? Right? It's not like, okay. All right. There you are. So you press it down, get it like nice and sticky. And then you're going to go ahead and take your red writing gel right here. Okay. And make the blood come out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I want to put 5 on here because I got 5 on it. And if you know what I'm talking about, you old. I'm not old, but you old, not me. We doing this for the kids. I'm doing this for the kids right now. So go ahead and put this on here and make your bloody eyeball. Oh my God. Ooh. Ew. Look at the blood. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Oops. Okay. All right, let me put this back. So we can't put that on the tray, so. All right. All right. I'm going to try this again. Okay. Going to try this again now. All right. So you get your eyeball. I'm down. You get your eyeball. I see you. Okay. And you press it down. Okay. There you go. Okay. See that now? I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the blood on it. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Remember what I said? I'm doing 5 because I got 5 on it because you're so old. All right, there it is. I'm not going to overdo it this time. See it? Bam! All right. So, now I'm going to show you if you don't have the decorative eyeballs. Okay, who cares? So simple. What we're going to use is the milk chocolate chip. Okay, and I'm getting all kind of, okay, I'm getting my lipstick on this, you guys, and I'm really not trying to do that. See that? I can't use it. If I get my lipstick on it, I can't use it. Okay, so let me make sure I don't get my lipstick on because the kids are not going to want to eat eyeballs with lipstick on it. Now, let's just go ahead and get the chocolate chip. Alright. So, and all you need to do, so you see, it's like the Hershey Kiss. You see the little kiss at the top? Can you see it? Let me make sure you can see it. You see the little kiss at the top? Well, that needs to go inside the marshmallow. Okay? So the kiss at the top will go inside the marshmallow. And you just press it down like that. Boom. Boom. Oh, crap. Man. What is going on? Okay, this went down too far. Way too far in there. It's like an indented eyeball. Alright. So, I can't use this one. Okay, because I kind of messed it up. Look. You see that little bit of red? I can't use it. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna give marshmallow that is perfect. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, now you're gonna get the chocolate chip. And remember, the kiss part used to go inside of the marshmallow. So there we go. Not too hard. Okay, you push it down. Okay, there we go. That looks good. You see that? The eyeballs in the middle. You got pretty brown eyes. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the writing gel and put it on here. Okay. There it is. There it is. Oops. Oh, shoot. I done messed that up, y'all. Oh, my God. Look, I didn't mean to do that at the bottom. You see that little... That's not supposed to happen. Okay. All right, let me do it again. Gosh, a lot of marshmallows. These marshmallows are sweet. All right, you just have to kiss. And you put it down. Remember? The kiss part goes down. Okay, push it down. Oh, shit. Oops, I did not mean... Y'all, if you have kids listening to this, please, I'm so sorry, kids. I meant to say sugar, honey, iced tea. Sugar, honey, iced tea. I meant to say sugar, honey, iced tea. I did not mean to say that, y'all. I hope it's just the parents watching this video, because I'm soon going to have big eyeballs. All right. Now, you get the Hershey Kisses part. Remember, the top of it. No, the top of it's going to go down. Not too hard. Not too hard. Okay. Nice and gently. Right? Here we go. There it is. You see that? Boom. Now, of course, you can have one without the blood. Right? Because not everybody wants a bloody eyeball. Alright, so. Alright. Oops. You got your eyeball, I see you. So we're going to do one without any blood. Gosh. Oh my God. Y'all, I can't. What is wrong with me? Hold on, y'all. Excuse me. Listen, let me tell you something. Hold on, excuse me. Oh my God, this hat is too tight around my head, y'all. Okay, hold on. Excuse me one second. Oh my God. Now I gotta take my metformin right now. Now I know I'm so sorry. I'm glad I had this close because I keep it right here in my drawer because hold on, excuse me. Oh my God. Now, that's for diabetes, okay? Now, I've been doing very well. My numbers have been awesome. My doctor told me that I brought my diabetes down. The glucose level down, my blood work, okay? Because I've been eating vegetables and staying away from sweets. But I'm trying to do this tutorial video about these bloody eyeballs and it's a lot of sugar. Okay, so, oh God, I gotta eat this one. This is too far down. Okay, so, you want to do one without the bloody eyeball. Now I gotta reopen this thing because I'm gonna eat all of them. Bloody eyeballs, non-bloody eyeballs. Okay, so this is so easy to make for the kids. Or your kids can help you make it, and then when you have your little Halloween party, you just put these eyeballs out.
Hurry up and get last-minute mega Halloween deals. Go to cvventertainment.com and load up. Happy Halloween!